So are you a graphics designer? You like to design graphics for like games and things like that? Or maybe you're an aspiring graphics designer and you're looking to get into it and you like to do that kind of thing. Well, you're going to want to stick around for this whole video because I'm going to show you how to kill two birds with one stone and how to make money two ways today. Alright, so stick around. We'll be right back on here in just a moment and get started on that right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the video. Like I said earlier, I'm going to show you graphics designers, anybody that's interested in graphic design. I'm going to show you two ways today to make money online from home. Alright, first of all, my name is Kevin Lehner with Kevin-Lehner.com. Almost got that wrong. And if this is your first time in my video, or you've been here before to the videos and my channel, and you have not yet subscribed to the channel yet, please reach down there below right now and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified when we upload new videos. Alright, also what we do here for you new timers or you newcomers, we do how-to videos, anything to do with making money online videos and affiliate marketing videos, and once in a while we'll throw in a motivational video for you too as well. Alright, great. Well, with that said and all out of the way, let's go ahead and jump into today's video. What we're going to do here is we're going to come over to our old favorite website called Fiverr. Right? Everybody knows about Fiverr. And here, what we're going to do here is we're going to type in YouTube intro. If I can spell it here, I'll be in good shape. There we go. Now, if you notice right here, what it brings up is people that do graphic design intros, including their brand and their channel and so on and so forth for YouTube. Basically what you'll be doing is you'll be making YouTube intros, such as the one you just saw of mine just a few moments ago. Alright, and you can make money doing this on Fiverr. What you can do is you can see here, well, you can see there's a few here. Some are, I'll create a YouTube intro video for $10. I'll create a logo animation YouTube intro for $20 here, $20 here, and so on. As you can see, the prices go up, these people offering this service. And so, I mean, you could almost literally, depending how good you are, you could set your own price on here pretty much. Alright, so what you'll do is you come here to Fiverr, you want to click on Become a Seller, and it loads up this page here, and you can join with either your Facebook account or your Google account, and or you can just sign up to a local account right here on Fiverr to become a seller. And then what you would do is you create your gig like this about creating YouTube intro videos. Alright, and now how, so again, some of you may be saying, well, how do I get mine? I see there's 1,976 people that are doing this on here, so how would I get my video service or my video intro service to rank up high on Fiverr as quick as possible? Well, you pick one, like this one for example has got 475 reviews at $10 a pop with a 5.0 star rating, and then you can look down through here and find others. 74, here's 224, 354, and so on and so forth, and here's one was for 777. So for example purposes, let's say we want to take this one here because it's got a lot of reviews on it. So there's something that's making him show up here on this first page and being pretty popular, and he's selling them at $50 a pop. Okay, so he's made quite a lot of money here. So if we click on that person's gig and we scroll, what you want to do is pick the one you want or whatever, and then scroll all the way to the bottom. When you make your gig, come to a gig like this, scroll all the way to the bottom and copy their related tags right here. You see related tags. You want to copy and use their tags. You see their tags have worked for them, then they should also work for you as well, right? Add their tags, or you can actually mix and match and check other gigs out and mix and match tags to help try to boost your gig up quicker in Fiverr. Alright, so let's say you've created a gig here, you've got your gig, and somebody clicks the order button here right here, and they want to put in an order with you to make a intro video. And you're starting at, I don't know what, $10 to $50, whatever you set it at, right? And they want to make you to make an intro video. So what you do is they would give you the directions on how to do that, right? Then what you do is you bring those directions over to, and this is all free, by the way, guys. This can be done anywhere in the world. Just make sure you have an internet connection, you know, and a computer basically, and this can be done anywhere in the world. You're going to bring that information from your customer over here to this site right here. It's called tubearsenal.com. Tube Arsenal. You see up here in the address bar, tubearsenal.com. As you see here, it's free. It's a free intro maker. Tube Arsenal helps you make gorgeous video intros. Brand your YouTube channel, blog, or video. Get more subscribers, look more professional, and be a YouTube star. And then you can create it. There's no cost here on this site to do this, and they have all kinds of templates. And so it's no software to buy, and there's no training required. You do it all right here on this website. This application built right into this website. All right. And you can see down here it says, look how easy. Step 1, just browse the gallery and pick a template. And then step 2, use their easy customization page to change the text, colors, image, and logos. And then step 3, download your final animation and then upload it. It says there, but what you're going to do is download it and from for your customer, right? And then just give it back to your customer and get paid all at the same time. It's just that easy. Well, that's one way. Remember I told you in the beginning there's 2 ways I was going to show you how to make money here. Alright, well that's one way, but let me show you, I want to show you some of the cool things, animations that people have made here. Here's one right here. It's only 14 seconds long. I'm just going to play this and it's pretty cool. Intro for YouTube or Tube Arsenal website here. Pretty cool. It's just a 14-second intro. Kind of looks like a tornado. So see, yeah, that you can do those types of things for your customers from Fiverr. Once you set up your gig, and then just when you download it, you just give it back to them and get paid. It's just that simple. Now, here's the second way that you're going to get paid. Let's say that you love what you do, you're a great graphic designer, and what you would do is come over here, you're on Tube Arsenal anyway, right? And you see down here at the bottom, scroll all the way to the very bottom of the page, and you see right here where it says Artists, right here. We're going to click on that. And notice what they say here. It says, Artists, want to be an artist for Tube Arsenal? Welcome to the family. Tube Arsenal loves fresh new content for our customers. We also love to help out our artists, so we pay an extremely high commission. Alright? As you probably know, Tube Arsenal isn't a download site. Projects are rendered live for the customer. This uses a lot of computing power. However, we don't make the artist pay for rendering time or the work we do to automate your projects. In return, you make money for every intro sold or rendered. So there gives you permission to use their site to sell on Fiverr. And that's one way there, right? I just showed you that. Then it says it's a really great deal and your work can get pirated. Your work can't get pirated. Sorry about that. And it says here down here, it says we accept templates for Adobe Air Effects. Submit your templates to support@tubearsenal.com so we can see your work and discuss your pay. So you see, guys, that's the second way you can make money. If you think your designs are good enough that you make, offer them to Tube Arsenal website here, and they will pay you for that graphic design template like what they already have on here, and they'll pay you for that pretty handsomely, according to what they say there, right? Extreme high commission. Alrighty, well guys, that's what I have for you today. Wanted to show you these 2 ways that you can make money online from home, all for free. Make sure you don't forget to reach down there and hit that subscribe button and click that bell so you get notified. Also, reach down there and click where it says mentorwithkev.com and check out my #1 affiliate marketing business. All right, guys, I'm going to let you go with that. Don't forget to comment and like the video if you liked it too. And I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next exciting video. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye now.